Kumshi benta banele ban long ki bala pynkhreh lepa la da ja bawan lynshop kabor mariang ya kejela bat ban pet ban kmi hadu kanu kejela kala long kabala pynkhreh lepa ban ajingnya rap iki pat ba hakasi pale jogotayo ka Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority kala Pynlong ya ka state level mock exercise kylleng ki district jogojela
Kajing Pynlong ya kene mock exercise kedai shibenta ban pynkhreh ya jingwan lynshop ki bor mariang ke besriam kum ujumai ke belajar ke jalan Meghalaya hakasem syajar praspa kendai punyo hakenong ba Shillong la Pynlong ya kene mock drill hakathan polo ya ke balawan ban shimbenta ki bor penya district ki sipai ki pulet ke National Disaster Response Force ke State Disaster Response Force ki fire but emergency service ki school ki college ki kenhun seng bhalang ki nongshong shnong ki dikhot jong ka Bharat Scouts and Guides ke Indian Red Cross Society ke NSS bat kiwi labo ya ke incident command post medical camp staging area relief camp bat ya ke base camp ha parking lot polo bat ka madan third ground ha polo nalor kaniela one ru ban khmi bnya ya ke mock drill da ki dikhot jong ka National Disaster Management Authority ban pet hado katno ka jela kalong ka balakhreh nadadon ki jingja kum ka jing khnyo jumai ne ka jingwan lynshop ki bor ka mariang watla ka jing Pynlong ya ka mock drill kalong ka badon kam nre ki pat ba kiladap da ka jing menyau namar ba kala pen mi ka jing dhang kali ka bajur bha ha kanong ba Shillong na kaliang jong ka District Disaster Management Authority West Jante Hills ru kala Pynlong ya ka mock drill ha ka sor jawai ya ka balawan mani shimbenta da ki kenhon baper
ini mesti pi start panik berapa ini
Number support you. Raise support you. Di Georgia di all ikenda. Come head to town. Di Georgia then di all ikenda.
Actually, the Meghalaya and the whole of the northeast region falls under the seismic zone 5, and in case of as the demographic changes and the construction has gone on for the last few 30-40 years, the population in the Shillong, especially Shillong and Tura cities, are very much vulnerable for the magnitude. Earlier we have faced in 1897 it being happened a long time, but if we such magnitude we face such earthquake of the such magnitude, certainly it will be very devastating situation. Actually, one team is comprises of the 47 person of with all together with all elements including the dog canine squad, medical staff and the communication staff and the rescuers, even the medical responders and search and rescue specialized, the rope rescue responders, team commander, everyone. So 47 in aggregate we do have with the strength of our team. We have, actually most of the equipment those are required here because it is a very scarcity of the place. Most of the equipment we have displayed at the staging ground. Whatever the equipment is required, it is very close to us, we will just call there. And especially we have a base of operation. We have a initial equipment that has already been placed. For this communication equipment, we have the vehicle mounted antenna. This is a satellite antenna. In case of the communication disruption, this will communicate with us through satellite to anywhere. We can voice call on voice, we call on video calls, and we can even save the data.